Hi everybody, NinjaNsite here. I just wanted to talk to y'all a little bit about the solar influence data and the event that happened on 19th of January 2026 have already been discussed in previous news items. In this item, the particular solar wind conditions that accompanied the passage of the interplanetary coronal mass ejection CME are highlighted. The table underneath is based on solar wind data attained by the Advanced Composition Explorer. Alright, blah blah blah. This, right? But the 1 minute data were checked for all solar wind events where either the BT was larger than 50 NT, BZ lower than -40 NT, or the solar wind speed versus around 1,000 kilometers per second or higher. BT is the total strength of the interplanetary magnetic field, IMF. BZ is the strength of the southward component of this IMF. Both are expressed in nanotesla, which is NT. The more negative and the larger BZ that is negative, the more the geomagnetic field is affected. Note that the ACE sensors measure particle data such as solar wind speeds are affected during periods of strong proton events. Hence, for the Bastille Day, 15th July 2000, the Halloween event, 29 and 31 through 31 of October 2003, the values were used from research papers by Smith in 2001, Skoog in 2004. I'll let y'all go ahead and read that real quick, or you can go back and pause it. But these numbers here, this right down here, is what we're wanting to look at. That number right there is what it was clocked at going at. Now, they're trying to tell you that the new baseline is 4 to 500. I've been tracking the solar wind, and literally just yesterday, March 16th, it was telling me the new baseline was 400. Our normal baseline as of 2020 and stuff, and back in historical records, has been 200 to 300. I just wanted to get this documented and on video because that does not fit what the historical data says. That is contradictory of their own data. There we go. We got a video here so you can see. That's what happened in 2019, 2026. That's what set off the current events that's going on now. Man, that's crazy. Look at that over here. That's nuts. Okay, here we go. We got the Space Weather Prediction Center, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration as of March 17th, 2026, 14:42:09 UTC, Tuesday. So, as you'll see right here, it says 441 is the current solar speed. You can watch all these videos and stuff on this website. It helps you keep track of everything on here. This is your BZs and all that right here in this category. Alright, this right here will show you your auroras. which for people that's interested, likes to see the Northern Lights. I'm down here in the middle of USA, so over here in the Missouri section, historical data. It pulled up this right here, the original baseline, 1960s and 1990s, according to earlier NASA missions like Explorer 10 and Mariner 2. The quiet solar wind speeds was recorded at 300 kilometers per second. This was the gold standard for what normal looked like for decades. And that's coming from ResearchGate.net. Right here is the source. And the solar winds definition, even today, NASA Scientific Visualization Studios admits to slow solar wind averages between 300 to 500 kilometers per second. The shift, by calling 500 kilometers per second slow, they are trying to normalize speeds that are 66% higher than the original 300 kilometers per second baseline. And come from NASA Scientific Studio. It's where you can add the clickable link for your, or you can look it up for yourself. I don't know if it's going to be clickable. This is my video, but show you guys where all to go and just show you. Yeah, I make it pull up sources and clickable links just so where I know I get the truth. Because I go based off of data. I do not go based off of interpretation. I do not go based off of narrative. You know, I love all of y'all. Keep it safe. I'm going to try my best to try to bring you the best content I can and keep it real with y'all 100%. Much love, y'all. Peace.